Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to activate the Hey Google option in this device. So firstly we have to enter the Google folder and tap on Google. Now let's enter this three dots icon and tap on the settings. Here we have to choose Google Assistant. And actually on the very first position in the popular settings we've got voice match, so just tap on it. And here we've got Hey Google feature, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. And this is the very first step of adding our voice to Hey Google, so just tap on next. We will have to agree to voice match, so just tap on I agree. And as you can see, our assistant, actually my assistant, is recognizing my voice because I've already added it. But if you will add it for the very first time, you will have to repeat Hey Google and OK Google. So, and as you can see, it is activated. So just tap on continue then. And this is it. This is how to activate Hey Google. And I will try to show you how to add your voice. Okay, so this is the thing you will see after turning on the Hey Google option. So just let me say OK Google. And here we have to say Hey Google. And again, Hey Google. And as you can see, it is done. So all you have to do is tap on next and finish. So as I said, I've just shown you the steps through which you will have to go in order to set Hey Google option. So let me get back and let's check if it will work. So let me say Hey Google. And as you can see here, we've got the Google Assistant. So let me try again. Hey Google, what's the weather like in Krakow?
Right now in Krakow it's 6 degrees and mostly cloudy.
And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. So actually that's all. This is how to activate Hey Google in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.